pizza. I wonder.
The first step into making your pizza is to combine the water, yeast, sugar, and oil. When we combine the water, sugar, salt, and oil, it produces a homogeneous mixture. But as soon as the yeast is added, fermentation begins. The sugar reacts with the yeast and starts to produce carbon dioxide. This is an exothermic reaction and it's going through a chemical change. Now that the yeast has taken about 5 minutes to activate, we have to start to add in the flour. The flour gets added in a quarter cup at a time to ensure that it's well blended. As we mix in the flour, all of this is going through a physical change. The ingredients are combining together to produce the dough. As we start to knead the dough, all of the protein bonds are being strengthened. This is going through a physical change, and the water and flour are reacting to produce gluten. This is still going through an exothermic reaction because carbon dioxide is being released from the yeast. After the dough is completely kneaded and looks like this, you have to let it sit so that the yeast can activate, and the dough will continue to rise. The gluten is reacting, and carbon dioxide is starting to be released, which increases the size. This is still going through an exothermic reaction. As the carbon dioxide releases, the dough will nearly double in size. Now that we've given the dough time to rise, we can start to make the pizza. As we start to spread out the dough, you can see all the air pockets of carbon dioxide that have formed. Adding the sauce, cheese, and pepperoni has caused the pizza to undergo a physical change. And as soon as it goes into the oven, an endothermic reaction will take place. During an endothermic reaction, the molecules start moving faster. When your pizza is finished cooking, it should look something like this. While in the oven, it underwent a chemical change called the browning effect. The last bit of chemistry involved in making your pizza is cutting it after it's cooked. It's now ready to enjoy.